In this video, I'll be teaching you guys how to create international TikTok accounts for you to be able to earn money through TikTok beta program from anywhere in the world, right? So all you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end.
Join Growbita family today. Grow your social media platforms and make money online.
You're welcome to Grow Better. In this channel, we teach people how to grow their social media platform and also how to make money online. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Maximilian and I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that anytime I post amazing video like this one you're watching at the moment, you'll be among the first people to see the video. So recently, a lot of people are actually cashing out big on TikTok through this recent program, beta program. You can actually earn money now on TikTok with your videos, right? And just like Facebook, this program is not available for everybody, right? It's just available for a few countries like United States, Italy, and other countries that is eligible, right? So, but you can actually be in Nigeria or any other African country or any other ineligible country and still earn the same money. But there is a way they do it. So all you need to do is to create your account in an eligible country, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how to create this account, right? So we are going to be making use of VPN because you need to change your location to an eligible country, then create an international account that will enable you to be able to earn, right? So just like Facebook, they have their own criteria that you need to reach. You need to reach 10,000 followers, and also you are supposed to be up to 18 years, right? So, and also you are supposed to be in an eligible country, just like Facebook, right? So the main purpose of this particular video is to teach you guys how to create the account that can actually earn you this money. So I'll be taking you guys to the other side of the screen where I'll be sharing step by step how to do this. But before we get to the other side of the screen, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say thank you, Mazi, for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment. And one thing I assure you guys is that after this video, I'm going to be making another video where I'm going to be explaining better on this program so that you get to understand this program and understand how it works. So it's important that after watching this video, you need to subscribe for you to stick with me to enjoy the next video, right? So see you guys on the other side of the screen. So guys, welcome to this side of the screen. One of the most important things that you need to do when you're trying to create an international TikTok account is that you must make sure that you have a VPN in your phone, right? Because you're going to be changing your location. It doesn't matter whether you're using your browser or you're using the app to create it. Understand? Because there is one thing that you need to do, whether you're using your browser or you're using your main TikTok account to create it, that I'm going to be showing you, and that thing is what is going to be determining everything. All right, because whether you're using your browser or using your app, it's still the same thing that is going to show you, right? So firstly, there are different this thing VPN you can actually get online, and I see so many people are using Thunder VPN, which is nice, understand? So but me, I have been using Windscribe, as you can see it right here on the screen. Windscribe, that's what I've been using for a while now, and I think it's still okay for this, so I promise you guys that I'm going to be making a video that I will explain everything for you guys, and in that video I will actually discuss about all this VPN stuff, if you're going to be keeping your VPN on, everything, all the questions that you guys have for me. So it's important that after watching this video, just drop your question in the comment section and I will pick up and explain it better, understand? So let's go to what is the main reason why we are here right now. So I'll firstly come to my VPN to check if my VPN is actually on. Right now my VPN is not on, so I don't need to put it on, right? And allow. So it's now activating. Okay, I need to click on allow, right? So I just need to make sure that it's working well, right? So do it again. So right now my VPN is now on. So I'm currently in Atlanta Mountain. All right, so this is one of the things that you just need to make sure that your VPN is okay and you are not in Nigeria. So the next thing I need to do right now is that I'll need to head to my TikTok account, to my TikTok app, right? Then I need to allow this, then click on this side, this profile, for me to now create an account, right? So I've already created email for this account that I want to create. So it's important that you use a Gmail account because if you are to use your phone number, you see that you are not from America, and you're not from all this country that is eligible. So they might say they want to send you a code for verification. So, but why is important that you use your Gmail is for you to easily access, get off. So I already created the Gmail I'm going to be using in this video. So all I need to do is just to use it. And I'm going to be showing you the most important thing that you need to do right here before you go ahead. So when you look at this, you see, by continuing with an account located in Nigeria, you can see continuing with an account located in Nigeria. Actually, this is showing that this particular account is located in Nigeria. What do? You just need to come and tap on the Nigeria. So be it any country you are, all you need to do is to tap on your country that you're seeing right here. Understand? So you just need to tap on it, then change it to another country that is eligible. So my location is currently in the United States. So I'm just gonna put United States, right? So I've changed it to United States. You can see by continuing with an account located in United States. Can you see it clearly? Like, continue with an account located in United States. It has changed from Nigeria to United States. So while creating this thing, you need to be very careful. Make sure that your own is showing the country that you want to put in. Understand? Mine is United States and it's showing United States, as you can see right now. Understand? So this means that I'm creating my account in the United States. Understand? So what I need to do is to come to Gmail and click on continue with Google. Just tap on it and click on continue, right? And you see it will load, and all I just need to do is to go and select that Gmail account that I just created before making this video. Understand? So which is this last one. I just need to tap on it. So once I tap on it, they will now ask me to continue, and I'll just click on continue, right? Allow it to load, allow everything to go. As it's going, it will load, and after loading, it will take me to, you see, so it just asked me to put my birth month, right? Very easy. Then May, you see, so I'm gonna put my year. You are gonna know my year in this video. So then put my year, then just allow it. So they're gonna ask me to create a username. Understand? So I'm gonna be putting a nickname that I like. So I'm gonna put name mass. So maybe if it's not taken, I'm in. When you look at this account, you see that most of the things they are showing me right here are not Nigerian stores. They're showing me things in the United States, so, and the things in America, So this actually means that this account is an international account, right? It's not a Nigerian account, which is because the location is not Nigeria, right? So anything that the person that created his or her account in the United States can do with his account, the same thing I can actually do, the same feature, the same everything. So this account is actually an international account. All I just need is for me to build it to 10,000 followers and start making money. All I need right now is to grow this account to 10,000 followers, and make sure that I have up to 100,000 streams, which is 100,000 views within the last 30 days, right? And I will start earning money from this. So it's very simple. So all you need to do is just to come and put in your profile picture and edit your bio and edit everything. You see that you are good to go. So if you want to know where your monetization is, you just need to come to this three line up here, then this three line up here, then come to creators tools right here. When you come to creators tools, then you're going to see monetization. Monetization, as you can see right here, you can see creator reward program, you can see creator marketplace subscription. Understand all these things, right? So that's it. So you can see get reward for your quality content on TikTok, right? So once you join the creator reward program, you will be eligible to be rewarded for creating a video that are 1 minute longer. You understand? So creator rewards, you can see more rewards, right? Creator reward program has the potential to offer higher reward for a high quality original content. You know, TikTok users now spend 50% of their time watching content over 1 minute longer. Engage your viewers with longer high quality. So you can see right here, I'm like, this my account is now okay to be able to earn from this. The only thing I need right now is, you see, I'm already 18 years. I don't need to have you have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days, right? And also have at least 10,000 followers on this account, and you see I'll start earning money from this account. So guys, this is exactly how to create this international TikTok account. Very simple. Just do it exactly the way I show you guys in this video, and you see it's very easy, and you get your own account, build it to 10,000 followers. So other questions that you want me to ask me, drop it in the comment section, and I will attend to it in my next video. Understand? So thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the other side of the screen. Welcome back, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you really found this video helpful, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, just say thank you, Mazi, for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment as usual. All right. And if you're new on this channel, I would urge you to subscribe to this channel, because there are a lot to learn in this channel. We publish amazing videos on how to make money with social media, right? And if this is your first time, I will urge you to go through other videos. You will learn from it as well. So thank you for watching this video from beginning to here. I really appreciate you all. Thank you, and remain blessed.